If you want to go ahead and add in multiple forms in a single section, then that is possible as well. So over here, you can see that I got the multi-step form over here as an option. And if I were to go ahead and click on the multi-step form right here, then what I can do is I can go ahead and then add in a form name. So I'm just going to go around over here and say sample form right here as the form name. Just like this, and I'm going to press done right here. So now I can go ahead and add in the first step. So I'm going to click on the add in first step, and over here I'm just going to name it as step 1, and over here I can select a particular form. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select account and go for account form right here, press OK, and that particular form will be inserted out right here just like this, which is labeled as step 1, as you can see right here. Similarly, now to attach another form, you can go ahead and click on add step right here, and you can simply go around, and I'm just going to say step 2 right here, and this is going to be address right here, and I'm going to select this form right here. So now you got step 1 form right here just like this, and you got step 2 as well. So you got 2 forms attached out, as you can see, just like this. If you want to go ahead and add in another form now, then you can go ahead and click on add step and then type in step 3, let's say, for example, over here, and then select out another form as well right here just like this, and the 3 forms will be attached. So you can see that there's step 1, step 2, and step 3, which is a process indicator for the users, and you can go ahead onto the individual forms right here just like this as well. And you can even go around onto step settings and then go around onto the specific step right here and change it out according to how you want right here, just like this as well, and press OK in order to go ahead and update out the form as needed. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with multi-step form inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.